Hi and welcome to today's video. So in case you prefer your Microsoft Bing to be your default browser or your default search engine, today's video I'll be showing you how to make Microsoft Bing your default search engine. Now, thank you so much for joining. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser or your Microsoft Bing or Microsoft Edge app, and then just ensure you're properly signed in to Microsoft Bing. Now you can, when you head over to your Google Chrome browser, just type in www.bing.com and it will take you to this page. So this is what your home page looks like. Now, to show you how to make Microsoft Bing your default browser or your default search engine, you want to head over to these three dotted icons over here at the top of your account. Click on it, head over to settings, which is where all the magic happens, where you can change and then maintain whatever information you want on your Microsoft Bing application. So click on that and it's take you to this page. This is where all the magic happens. Now, to make Microsoft Bing your default browser so that whatever you want to do, you have to do it through Microsoft Bing, the next thing you want to do is head over to the left corner over here where you have this search bar and then type in privacy search and services, or you just go through this list to see if you would find it there. So I think this is it here. It's the third option on my list. I'll click on that and it will take me to this page. Now on this page you want to look for search and connected experiences. That is where you can work on making Microsoft Bing your default browser. So you just click on that and it will take you to this list of options. Here you have how to use a web service to help solve navigation errors, change and save time, all right, and all of this. So what you want to head for is address bar and search. So I'll click on that, and over here I have Bing recommended as my default browser. So when I just click on this toggle bar over here, I will see a list of activities, but I already have the Bing recommended as my default browser, and that is already set. So this is how you can pick or choose Microsoft Bing as your default browser to set for your application. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make Microsoft Bing your default browser or your default search engine. Remember, we came over to settings using these three dotted icons and it led us to this page. We clicked on privacy and services and navigated through all of the instructions like I have said previously. Until next time, bye for now.